Hey everyone, welcome back to my bilingual life. I'm Laura, and today we're going to talk about something that every English learner faces mistakes.
Oh no, we're talking about my favorite topic, embarrassing mistakes.
Don't worry, Carl, you're not alone. These are mistakes that even advanced students make all the time.
Good, then maybe I won't feel so bad.
Exactly. We'll go through five of the most common ones and show you the right way to say them. And we'll have a short quiz at the end so you can test yourself.
Perfect, let's do it.
Okay, mistake number one. Have you ever said, I think yes or I think no?
Yes, I think yes.
Well, that's exactly the problem. In English, we don't say, I think yes. We say, I think so.
So if someone asks, is it going to rain today, I shouldn't say, I think yes.
Right. You should say, I think so, or yes, I think it is.
And what about, I think no?
We say, I don't think so. For example, does Mark eat meat? I don't think so.
Oh, that makes sense. It's funny because in Spanish we say creo que sí and creo que no, but in English we just change the structure.
Exactly. So from now on, erase I think yes and I think no from your brain.
Got it. I think so.
That's better.
All right, what's mistake number two?
The next one is how is it called?
Oh, yeah, I've heard that one a lot.
In English, we don't say how is it called, we say what is it called?
So instead of how is it called in English, I should say what is it called in English?
Exactly. We use what to ask for a name, like what's that called? Or what do you call this thing?
Okay, so if I forget the name of something in the kitchen, I can ask, what's this called?
Right. Or you can even say, what do you call it?
And if I really can't remember the name, I can just say, pass me the whatchamacallit.
That's a fun one. Whatchamacallit is an informal way to say that thing whose name I can't remember.
So it's never how do you call it or how is it called?
Never. Always what.
Got it. I'll remember that the next time I forget the word for spatula.
Exactly. All right, let's move to mistake number three. I'm married with someone.
Wait, that one sounds fine to me.
It sounds fine because in many languages people say it that way, but in English it's I'm married to someone.
So I should say, I'm married to Laura.
Well, that's news to me.
Just kidding. But seriously, married to. Got it.
Yes, to shows the connection to the person. He's married to Sarah. She's married to Tom.
What about married with children? I've heard that before.
Good question. That one is actually correct. It means the person is married and has children. Like, he's married with 3 kids.
So married to tells us who, and married with tells us how many kids.
Exactly. Married to someone, married with children. Easy.
And pronunciation, it's not married with 3 syllables, right?
Right. It's just 2 syllables. Married.
Okay. I think I'm ready for the next one before I get into more trouble.
All right. What's mistake number four? Explain me.
Ah, yes. Like, can you explain me the grammar?
Exactly. That's not correct. We say explain it to me or explain the grammar to me.
So the word to is important here too.
Yes. Explain usually takes to before a person. You can say she explained the rules to us or can you explain it to me?
But we don't say explain me the rules.
Right. The structure is explain something to someone.
Got it. So if my student says, please explain me this, I can correct them gently and say, explain it to me.
Exactly. And sometimes we can use explain without an object. For example, let me explain.
Oh, right. Just like a teacher starting a lesson, let me explain.
Perfect example.
Okay, what's the last mistake?
Mistake number five. I don't know where is Diego.
Yeah, I've said that one too.
It happens to everyone. The problem is the word order. In English, we say, I don't know where Diego is.
So when the question is inside another sentence, the word order changes.
Exactly. We call that an indirect question. When we add something before it, like, I don't know, do you know, or could you tell me, we keep the subject before the verb.
So examples,
Sure. Direct question, where is Diego? Indirect question. I don't know where Diego is.
Ah, so I shouldn't say, I don't know, where is Diego?
Exactly. Same with do you know what time it is? Not do you know what time is it?
That's a really common one.
It is, but now you know how to fix it.
I feel like I've learned a lot today, but before we finish, I think you promised a quiz.
You're right. Let's do a quick quiz to see how much everyone remembers.
Okay, 5 questions. Ready?
Ready.
Question 1. Complete the sentence. Ethan is married blank Joanne.
That's two. Married to Joanne.
Correct. We say married to someone.
All right, question two. Which one is correct? Explain me the story or explain the story to me.
That's easy. Explain the story to me.
Good job.
All right, question 3. Correct this sentence. Is it going to rain today? I think yes.
That should be I think so or I think it is.
Exactly.
Okay, number four. We don't know who is Beth.
That's we don't know who Beth is.
Perfect. And last one. How is it called in English?
That's what is it called in English?
5 for 5.
Yes, I think so.
You've learned well, my friend.
I feel so proud of myself right now.
And to everyone listening, how did you do? Did you get all 5 correct?
If you didn't, that's okay. These are tricky because they come from direct translations.
Exactly. The more you listen and practice, the more natural the correct phrases will sound.
So let's review one more time quickly.
Number one, say I think so or I don't think so, not I think yes, no.
Number 2, say what is it called, not how is it called.
Number three, say married to someone, not married with someone.
Number 4, say explain it to me, not explain me.
And number five, say I don't know where Diego is, not I don't know where is Diego.
Perfect recap.
I hope this helps you sound more natural and confident in English.
Yeah, and if you catch yourself saying one of these, don't worry, just correct it and keep going.
Exactly. Learning a language is all about noticing your mistakes and improving step by step.
Well said.
All right, that's it for today's episode of My Bilingual Life.
Thanks for listening, and if you like this episode, share it with a friend who's learning English too.
We'll be back soon with another fun lesson. Until then,
Both of us, keep learning and keep growing.